Hi all, this is Neeraj and I would like to tell you what skills a person should learn to get into IT or what skills a person should really concentrate on so that he gets a job in IT as soon as possible. So let's start with the first skill, that is a full stack developer. So here a person should make his base and the foundations as much as strong. For that, he needs to learn a programming language, either it can be Java or it can be C Sharp or Python. He also needs to learn a scripting language, like JavaScript or Python as well, so that his foundations are clear. Once he learns JavaScript, then he can learn a TypeScript, and then any of the front-end languages like he can learn Angular or he can learn React or Vue. So this way he will be able to develop a full-fledged web-based application or an app using all these languages, and that is nothing but a role of a full stack developer. The next role is DevOps, where a person is supporting a developer in case there are build issues or he is taking care of the environments like development, QA, or production. He is also responsible for implementing CI/CD, that is continuous integration, continuous deployment, where he helps in taking the code developed by a developer from development environment to QA and to production as fast as possible using different tools like Docker, Kubernetes, and also using monitoring tools like Nagios. He also uses configuration management tools like Ansible and many more such tools. So those are the skills to become a DevOps engineer. The next skill you can go for is a cloud engineer, where we have many cloud providers like Google Cloud, Amazon AWS, and also we have Microsoft Azure. So these cloud providers on the cloud, they provide software as a service, and there are many services which are available. So you can go and learn those services, and you should be able to host your application, web-based application on the cloud using these services as much as possible. So for example, in AWS, you can go and store your data in S3 bucket, and you can use Amplify, or you can use even use their domain to host your application. You can use AWS code commit, which is like GitHub, to store your code as well. And then you can use even their ready-made services like Docker and Kubernetes to implement CI/CD pipelines. So these are the ready-made services available from all these cloud providers, which you can learn and become a expert cloud engineer, and that is a hot skill nowadays. Now, this was all about web-based applications or apps and development of this app. Let's say if you are interested in data, then go for AI/ML and data analytics. So AI/ML is artificial intelligence and machine learning, where you are analyzing unstructured as well as structured data, and we are applying some algorithms on that data and drawing some conclusions from the algorithms applied. So, for example, let's say I have a data which tells me about number of cancer patients in a particular state. So using this data and putting some right algorithms, even I can predict that a current cancer patient, how much he can live for how many years, based on the data of the previous cancer cases in that area. So that is the use of artificial intelligence and machine learning, where we learn different algorithms and applying these algorithms on different sets of data. And the next is data analytics, where we have different kind of dashboards available based on the data what we have. So for example, let's say if I want to know the sales of a company based on terabytes of data which are there in the last 15 years in my database. So that is where I will apply tools like big data and Hadoop, and use these tools to draw different dashboards and draw conclusions from those dashboards, and this all comes under data analytics. So these are the hot skills according to me in 2020, and you can go and learn any of these skills in depth, and I'm sure you will get a job in IT as soon as possible. Thank you. In the next video, I will tell you more about what is a web-based application, how it works, and then which technologies to learn to really become a full stack developer. Thank you.